Are you tired of ordering greasy pizzas from your local delivery joint? Would you like to create your own mouthwatering pizza right in the comfort of your own kitchen? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious homemade pizza from scratch. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for our pizza masterpiece. First, we'll start with the pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Gradually add in ½ cup of warm water while kneading the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rise for about an hour until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our pizza sauce. You can use store-bought sauce or make your own by blending fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil, and a pinch of salt. Now that our dough has risen, it's time to shape our pizza crust. Dust your working surface with flour and gently stretch and shape the dough into your desired pizza size and thickness. Once your dough is perfectly shaped, transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone dusted with cornmeal to prevent sticking. Now comes the fun part, adding the toppings. Spread a generous amount of your homemade or store-bought pizza sauce on the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of grated mozzarella cheese all over the sauce. You can also get creative with your toppings. How about some sliced bell peppers, pepperoni, olives, and mushrooms? Once your pizza is topped to perfection, it's time to bake it. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, and place your pizza in the center rack. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. And there you have it. Your very own homemade pizza, fresh out of the oven and ready to be devoured. Whether you're hosting a pizza party or simply satisfying your cravings, making homemade pizza is not only delicious but also a fun and rewarding experience. So, gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on creating the pizza of your dreams.